This right here is an opportunity to own a Boston Whaler, brand new 22 Dauntless at a pre-owned price. A little bit of backstory for you guys. This is a 2025 Boston Whaler 220 Dauntless, purchased new from MarineMax Stuart in June of 2024. The customer had a change in plans, never took delivery, and traded the boat back in on a 25 Dauntless. This boat has literally never been in the water. It's a great opportunity for a new boat at a pre-owned price. A little bit of back history on the options. Trailer is included. We have a trolling motor, power pole. This boat literally has every upgrade you can possibly get. So starting here in the back of the boat, this boat does have the upgraded 250 V8 power pole off the port side. And then Whaler did a great job of creating a bay boat that's good for fishing, good for cruising. So we have pop-up bucket seats here off the port and starboard side. When you flip them down, you have a great casting platform. Rod holders across the transom, and then you have a live well here underneath the leaning post. So this is the upgraded leaning post option. Rod holders, flip down bolsters, and armrests. So this is the most desired option we offer for the leaning post. Here at the helm, it's very well appointed. So we have the largest SIMRAD we offer. 12-inch SIMRAD, Mercury vessel view, JL audio system, all of your switching, VHF radio, Mercury throttle system with active trim, trim tabs, and all the other great technology you guys are used to. As you walk up to the bow, the first thing you'll note on the Dauntless is the freeboard. So Whaler did a good job. You actually have a freeboard up above your knee, but this is still a boat you can get into very shallow water. This is my favorite part about the boat. We have a great lounging area. So full lounger, bow seating. We do have a fish box up front. Trolling motor system is included. And then we have a abundant amount of storage underneath the lounger. Underside of the hardtop was matched to the hull side colors. We have the light blue option selected. Full cover package. So again, this boat literally checks pretty much every box on the Whaler build sheet plus a trailer. Great opportunity for a new boat at a much lower price than usual. My name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax and Stuart. Feel free to give us a call, 561-635-6811. Thank you for watching.